Hi, I'm Trent Knox, co-founder of St Remio, and today we're here to road test the Lexus crafted blend and how to make the perfect espresso at home. There is 3 variables to making the perfect coffee at home. First and foremost, that's the dose. For the Lexus blend, what we want to do is we're going to put 21 grams of coffee. The second element is around the yield. We're looking at a yield of around 50 to 54 ml. And the third aspect is the time, in a time of 27 seconds. And we'll grind out our coffee, 21 grams. Ground coffee into the portafilter, flatten that out, and then we use our tamp and we use straight down, give a quick flush or a purge, group handle into the coffee machine. And what we're looking for here is that you can see that there is a really nice extraction. You can see that it's not coming out too fast and it's certainly not too slow. And this is what we're looking for. We're looking for the yield of 50 to 54 mils in 27 seconds to make that perfect espresso. And then of course, now for the taste test. Perfect, low acidity, low bitterness, full body espresso, ready to add some milk for your cappuccino or cafe latte. That's good coffee.